Most people I've met, including myself, hated math because of its complicated methods and combining letters with numbers. It led us asking questions like, why does this exist? What is its purpose? And how can it help us in the real world? Well, as I grew older, I realized that it is very useful. Let me show you why it is useful using math in our daily lives. See, I am living in one of the most problematic planets in the solar system, the Earth. Problems arise in our world every single day. In other words, 7.7 billion people live on this planet with so much problems yet to be solved. Whether it be simple problems like how to eat, how to sleep, and to the more difficult ones like global warming, and how much money will I receive in return when I order a drink in a vending machine with a lot of money. Of course, the obvious reason that math is useful is calculating expenses and counting the number of subjects. But what if I told you that math can help you solve even more complicated problems? Meet functions. A function is a set of ordered pairs in the form of x and y, or input and output. You might be wondering, how can these simple yet complicated letters be useful in the real world? Imagine yourself on the streets, thirsty, and nothing on your bag to drink from. But with a near vending machine, you can buy something to satisfy your thirst. So you put the coin in the machine, press a button for some drink, and the drink pops out of the machine. Basically, by using our understanding of functions, the function of the problem is the cost. Input of the example is the money. The pressing of the button is our operation, and our output is the drink. And if you entered more money than required in the function, then it is converted into changes. Broadening your knowledge in math can make your perspective in life wider, and your power of reasoning, creativity, critical thinking, problem-solving abilities, and even effective communication skills better.
Here is another example. You and your 4 relatives spends 20,000 pesos monthly for food, but you wonder, how much money do we each have if we only have 3 members?
Using rational functions will do the trick. So if we represent x as each family member, we can use the money as the numerator. If we divide 20,000 pesos with 3 members, the amount of money you will receive will be 7,000 pesos per person. As you can see, we can apply functions in many, dare I say, every problem. Functions are important, as these are the mathematical building blocks for designing machines, predicting natural disasters, curing diseases, understanding world economies, and for keeping our airplanes in the air. It goes to show you that the importance and relevance of functions are clear in the real world. To summarize all of this, functions act like a machine. It takes the input, and in return comes the output. In every input, there is an output. In every problem, there is a solution. And many problems can be solved with simple maths. Sometimes you'll have to think outside the box in order to find your answer.